Hi, I hope you had a good day today. Mine was pretty good, but I had a lot to do, so it was a long day. I am ready to take my dentures out, wash my face, put on my jammies, and call it a day. Let me show you my nighttime routine. I don't sleep in my dentures, so I remove them at night. I put them in my food storage container. I like this because I like the volume, I like the screw top lid. It won't leak if I drop it or turn it over, and I can toss it in the dishwasher to clean and sanitize it. I rarely have issues removing my bottom denture. If I need to re-glue it during the day, I might have to struggle a little to get it out, but usually not much. I pop out my lower, and then I clean off any debris, bits of residue. I just want to get any straggling bits of adhesive off. Then I take out my upper. If my uppers adhered really well, sometimes I use a powder adhesive along with suction will hold it in. I can reach in on one side and kind of pull while pushing and break that seal. Usually I use a 3-minute tablet, store brand, name brand, tend to work pretty well. I put my dentures in my container, drop in the tablet, and let that dissolve. About once a week I'll use my ultrasonic cleaner, and I like to use it with my stain away. I put the dentures in, add water, add a capful, let it stop fizzing, put the lid on, run a quick cycle. After the 3 minutes, when it stopped fizzing, I dip my brush and I use this liquid to clean and brush my dentures. When you're working with your bottom denture, don't hold it like it's a nutcracker or a pair of pliers. You don't want to put that kind of pressure on it. Hold it on one side and I just brush the denture teeth. So this is me in the morning. I have this habit of just popping in my top denture. I leave my bottom denture in the container of water I stored it in overnight. I put in my top denture, no adhesive. I drink a cup of coffee. Then when I go to get ready for the day, I want to clean my dentures, but I don't want to go through my full nighttime routine. So I'm going to try something I haven't tried before. It's a toothpaste for dentures, so it's a denture cream. You don't want to use regular toothpaste on your dentures because it has an abrasive component. Natural tooth enamel is very hard. Acrylic dentures will scratch if you use regular toothpaste. I keep this and a toothbrush because when I remove my dentures at night, I like to put a little toothpaste on the brush and brush and massage my gums. I think it's good for the blood circulation, and it's how I clean my mouth before I go to bed. But let's try this. Let's see what we have here. The instructions are pretty simple. Remove denture, apply enough paste to a soft toothbrush, brush the denture, rinse it with water. Let's give it a try. I am going to, I have a wet toothbrush. I'm going to apply a little bit of paste, just like I used to brush my teeth in the back. I'm going to give my bottom a quick brush, even though it's been in water overnight. It's kind of like brushing my teeth. I'm brushing my teeth, it's just I hold them in my hand now. Okay, smells very minty and refreshing. Let's rinse. Okay, so there's the bottom. Nice and clean, smells minty fresh. Let's do the top. So here's my top denture. Gonna get the insides a little. Now I'm gonna rinse. So here's how my top denture looks. Pretty shiny. I'm gonna put them in and see how they feel. With the toothpaste itself, it feels really smooth. I don't feel that abrasive aspect you get in regular toothpaste. So my teeth feel pretty good. I'm going to need a little adhesive to help hold my bottom, but I clean my mouth, put the teeth in to see how they feel, and it's smooth and clean. I like it. I don't get that residual minty fresh taste, which is good. I don't particularly care for that. So far I like the denture cream. It's quick and easy to use. Did a good job cleaning my dentures, so I'm going to recommend it. Now I'm going to go put a little adhesive on my bottom, hop in the shower, start my day. I hope your denture journey is going well, and I hope we talk again soon. That's hard to say. Denture cream, denture cream, denture, denture.